Imagine a world where pilots can navigate safely even when GPS fails, thanks to an innovative backup system using phone signals. The 31 GPS satellites orbit Earth twice daily, providing crucial location data, but they aren't foolproof. In regions of conflict or under malicious attacks, GPS signals can be jammed or spoofed, putting lives at risk. Firefighters already face immense danger, but new technology could soon protect them even in the most perilous situations. Jennifer Sanderson, an expert in navigation algorithms, warns that losing GPS could have widespread impacts on society. Researchers at Sandia National Laboratories and Ohio State University are developing a safety net using signals from cell towers and satellites. These signals of opportunity can be harnessed to provide accurate navigation data, even when GPS is compromised. By sending antenna payloads into the stratosphere, scientists aim to detect these signals at altitudes up to 82,000 feet. If successful, this technology could revolutionize air travel, offering a reliable backup when traditional systems fail. As researchers refine this system, the future of navigation looks brighter and safer for everyone. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking advancements.